Getting people to your website is only half the battle. You can rank on Google, run ads, drive tons of clicks, but if visitors don't take action, all that traffic is wasted. And that's where CRO, or conversion rate optimization, comes in. Let's talk about some quick wins on today's Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright, and this is brought to you by TexasCMO.com. Okay, here are some quick CRO wins. First, you need to have one clear call to action. Don't confuse people with too many choices. Choices kill conversion. Keep your site fast. If it takes more than 3 seconds to load, guess what? People leave. You need to put your main message and your button front and center above the fold. I can't tell you how many people put their forms and buttons down below the fold where nobody ever clicks on them. Put your main message and the button front and center. Shorten your forms. Every extra field costs you leads. I saw a car dealership yesterday that had over 60 fields in his form. Look, you're just met him. You're not trying to marry him, and you can't ask for their social security number on the first date. Show trust signals. You got to get reviews, testimonials, logos, anything that builds confidence. And always be testing. Headlines, layouts, buttons, small tweaks can make big differences. Traffic can bring the visitors, but CRO turns them into customers. I always tell people, hey, you want 1 million customers? I can get them for you. I have hacker friends. They're just not going to buy anything. So don't just chase clicks. You got to make every click count. I'm Tony Wright, and this has been the Marketing Minute. For more information, please visit www.texascmo.com.